today's video, I'll quickly show you how to unmute a Udemy video so you can get back to learning without any interruptions. Start by opening your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox or Safari, and search for Udemy. Once you're on the home page, log into your account using your regular password or the single sign-on option if your school or company provides one. After logging in, head to your course library and open the course you're watching. Once the course player loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the video. You'll see a small volume icon. If the video is muted, that icon will have a cross over it. Simply click the icon once and the sound will turn back on instantly. If the audio still seems low, double check your device's system volume to make sure it isn't muted or set too low. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted your Udemy video. Enjoy your learning and I'll see you in the next one.